Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making Southern fried chicken. You will need 3 pounds of chicken, 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. To a small bowl, add your seasoned salt and garlic powder. Now add the paprika and onion powder. Add the salt and pepper, then mix until well combined. Divide the seasoning mixture into half, then season your chicken with one half, then your flour with the other. Dredge the chicken in the flour mixture, then place on a wire rack. Using a cast iron skillet, heat your oil to 350 degrees. Now fry your chicken until it is golden brown or it has an internal temperature of 165 degrees. After your chicken is done, remove it from the pan, then place on paper towels to remove the excess oil. This Southern fried chicken recipe is my favorite, and I really hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. We'll get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab.